Hi guys! Hello! Welcome to my channel again! Pag pumunta sa city guard, time din naming dalawa na pumunta sa mga decent na mga restaurant. Pasok kami dyan guys sa may Hatham na restaurant. It's a Persian restaurant guys. Yeah. Pickled peppercini guys. I love this one. Try it. Gonna try it. Thank you! Dito lang ako natutong kumain ng mga ainang hilaw na onions, pickled. Try nyo guys, pickled garlic. Oh, so good. That's so good. This one also guys, ewan ko. So good.
That's culture, and the name is great for the digestive system.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Order ng asawa ko guys. This is yogurt with water and mint. Hindi ko masyadong gusto, but he said this is really good for the tummy.
And it's carbonated too.
And it's carbonated daw. Not really my type. Sorry ha, lasang-lasa yung mint flavor. Peppercini guys, ito yun. Umorder talaga ako ng marami. This one also guys, is a spice. Sumac. Yan. I hope I pronounce it properly. Yan. Inahalo din nila ito sa mga sa mga food nila. Ito na yung order namin guys. Beef kebab with rice. Ang yellow, saffron siya. Yan. Saffron is a spice. Lagyan ko ng butter yung rice guys kasi habang mainit-init pa. Dito rin ako nasanay maglagay ng butter sa mga kanin. Dahil din sa kanya. So good. Peppercini. Pag ito lang kinain mo, walang food, para sa akin, super anghang. So, pag may mix na food, especially karne, mga ganun, especially pag ganitong food, hindi ko masyadong malasahan yung pagka-spicy niya. Raw onion. It's a sweet onion. So good, guys. We're done eating, guys. Parang amoy karne ako,
You turn at South Clementine Street, then the destination is on your right.
Flower vendor, guys, kasi malapit na yung Mother's Day. Yan, natitinda din sila ng mga bulaklak. Ito, nag-roaming around, walang magawa. Hinahanap namin yung guys, yung saan yung Goodwill na naman. Saan yung thrift store. Ayan. Eh, simbahan yan guys, Presbyterian Church. Ayan, simbahan. Okay guys, pasok lang muna ako sa isang tindahan at maglimot-limot doon. And then, yun lang guys. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!